This is Kavita Chaudhary from Uttam School for Girls presenting visual proof of infinite geometric progression. This is a part of grade 11 maths sequence and series. Let us have a look at how can we visualize geometric progression. Now in this slide, I have tried to show you a square, and in this square we have 1 which is the complete one. The second figure shows half of the square, and the third figure shows that it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 because one more part of the square is shaded. Now let us see the next slide. The next slide shows 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 because one more part is shaded blue now. Now in the next figure, one more part of the white is shaded to blue. So that adds up to 1 by 16. And in the next one more part added to it. So it is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 32. Now see the next one. Here we can see that we can keep on adding these blue parts continuously. And whenever we do it continuously, we are actually cutting the white space and adding the blue space to our sum. And as this process continues forever, the amount of white space tends to be 0 and the amount of blue space tends to be 1. And that is the value of sum, which is equal to 1. And hence we can write that sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 upon 2 to the power n is equal to 1, and which is the sum of the series. So actually what are we trying to prove here is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 and so on. If it goes infinitely, then the sum of this series will be equal to 1 because this is a complete square and we will eventually reach the complete square. That means the blue portions will eventually cover the complete square, and this is how we can visualize it. Next, we can see that I have a square and I have shaded just a part of it. So it is 1 by 4. Now in the next square, I have shaded 1/4 of the one part. So it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. So it is 1 by 4 square. And in the next, again 1/4 of the 1/4 of the 1/4 is shaded, and therefore it is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16 plus 1 by 64. And this goes on and I get the series like 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 4 cube plus 1 by 4 to the power 4 and so on. So what is eventually happening? We are getting something, the figure like this. Now if you shift the green portion to the right hand side, what you observe is the second figure. And if you shift the portion of this green side in the left hand side, you see the third figure. Now what will happen? Can you see that all these three portions are alike? And here comes your magic. What is happening? We are dividing this complete square into three parts. The one is the purple one, the second is the orange one, and the third is the green one. So what is happening here? We are getting three portions. The square is divided into three portions. And this is how I can say that sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 4 to the power n is equal to 1 by 3.